HydroClean AS, the automatic PCBA cleaning machine, is equipped with linear direct spray technology, which precisely addresses the cleaning challenges of high-density and low-standoff components. It efficiently removes flux residues, contaminants generated during PCBA production and FOD. It's also suitable for cleaning micro-mechanic components, power devices, sensitive electronic devices, and single-sided misprint boards on complex assemblies, adapted for pre-coating and pre-bonding cleaning processes to significantly improve product yield. It features automatic door technology for fully automatic operation throughout the process. It can be integrated with AGVs to boost production line efficiency. Light curtain protection ensures operator and machine safety. Its modular design is adapted to standard freight elevator for convenient transportation. Built-in with 3 independent liquid pipelines and real-time liquid level monitoring, the machine enables precise dosage control and reduces the consumption of cleaning agents and DI water. Fully automated closed-loop zero discharge, making it energy efficient and environmentally friendly. The hot air knife enables rapid driving, greatly improving efficiency, featuring Windows Fuel interface. It's simple and intuitive to operate. Core process parameters are adjustable in real time.